Let everything that have breath praise the Lord. This is the place where the puppets are made to praise the Lord.
Where the puppets are made to praise the Lord. Where the puppets are made. Where the puppets are made to praise the Lord. Where the puppets are made. Where the puppets are made to praise the Lord. Where the puppets are made. Where the puppets are made to praise the Lord.
This is the place where the puppets are made. This is the place where they give God the praise. A place where you can see them face to face. A place where they are made to give God the praise.
Where the puppets are made to praise the Lord. Where the puppets are made to praise the Lord.
This is where the puppets are made in the image of God. This is the place where the puppets are here to praise the name of the Lord. This is a place where you see them face to face.
Where the puppets are made to praise the Lord. Where the puppets are made to praise the Lord.
Yes, this is the place where the puppets raise their hand. This is a place where the kids that watch them understand that this is a place where they give God the ultimate praise.
Where the puppets are made to praise the Lord. Where the puppets are made. Where the puppets are made to praise the Lord. Where the puppets are made. Where the puppets are made to praise the Lord. Where the puppets are made.
This is where the puppets are made.